In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project as a PDF in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the full process from inside your Smartsheet workspace so that by the end, you'll be able to quickly generate a clean PDF version of your project to share, save, or print. I'll keep things simple and explain what's happening at each stage, so even if you're fairly new to Smartsheet, you can follow along without any trouble. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the main screen where your workspaces and sheets are listed. From here, you want to locate the specific project you'd like to export. This might be a sheet, a project plan, or a grid that you've been working on. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct one, especially if you have several projects with similar names. Once you've found it, click on that project to open it up. When your project is open, you should see the main Smartsheet interface with your rows, columns, and any project details you've set up. Along the top of the screen, or sometimes in a toolbar depending on your layout and updates to the interface, you'll find various controls for working with your sheet. Look for the option labeled Actions. This is usually part of a menu that groups together different tools like Save, Print, or Export. Go ahead and click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to sharing, printing, or exporting your data. What we're interested in here is the option that allows you to create a PDF file from your project. From the Actions menu, click on Export to PDF. As soon as you select this, Smartsheet will prepare a PDF version of your current project view. Depending on your settings and your browser, you might see a new window or a dialog box where you can confirm layout options such as page orientation, scaling, or which parts of the sheet you want to include. Review these options if they appear, then confirm or save. After a few moments, your PDF will be generated and either downloaded to your device or opened in a viewer, ready for you to save, print, or share with your team. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to Actions, and choose Export to PDF.